23 is a year and I won't stop. Another rapper gon' pack all its own pop. Then pumping your hood up ain't no spot. All this traffic to heaven is roadblock. You ain't take it, it's your day, I hope not. They say sapo, you're local, keep your thoughts.
Alright, let's give it up for the kids. We picked our 3 winners that are gonna get the cash prize. Let's give it up for them, guys. Hey, these kids come out and work just as hard as the adults do. Sometimes we just gotta get back to the future. They're the future of our community.
Hey, let little Chris do his thing, you know what I'm saying? He's a good relief. He's a good relief. Yeah, he's a relief player. My man got it.
First place, who's it gonna be? Let's give it up! Ooh, that boy is small. Let's give it up one more time for first place, best puppy 0 to 6 months.
And we got a ransom for this pink gun, motherfucker.
Hey, they painted it.
We give it more than what it's worth to bring it back, yo.
They painted it already. It's not pink no more.
This shit's camouflage. I'll quit with this shit out here.
They brought the spray paint with them. They're already ready.
I know I'm gonna come up on the pink gun today, but I'm gonna take the spray paint.
Hey, who thinks about that? Hey,
Oh, y'all motherfuckers, I have some paint in the truck.
Hey, anybody see a painter's truck or a work truck in the park?
Yeah, it was him. Yeah, it was him. All right, let's go. 6 to what? 6 to 12?
6 to 9.
6 to 9. That's a big ass dog. That's a big ass little dog, dog. We got it. Hey, that dog looks like it could chase you down.
We are checking birth certificates at the gate.
Yes. American citizen or what?
No, we don't care about that.
Corporate activities, make sure you guys sign up. Registration is still open. A lot of great classes.
Right behind you.
Dope ass awards. If you're not in the red carpet, you scared, baby. You scared.
Hey, don't be scared, just be prepared. Let's go.
Once again, shout out to the DJ. DJ Popo!
But not the one time.
Yes, sir. He does bar mitzvahs, quinceañeras, hey, ditchy parties. Hey, you been doing ditchy parties?
He said he has everything.
Raves. Ready? Third place.
First place, give it up!
Congratulations. Oh, yeah. He got a crowd? You got a crowd? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's just like 3 people. They got like 10. Yeah. They ain't doing it big over there. That's love. That's love.
I thought it was about to go live.
That was love right there, bro. Once again, shout out to the winners, first, second, and third place. Congratulations, all the participants. Thank you guys very much. What do we got up next?
Let's check it out. We got Best Chico Bloodline Male.
Best.
You just got $1 in your pocket, or 20 in your wallet. Me, I'm stacking money. Matter of fact, I let you watch it again.
All right, we take EBT too. Bring out the slider. Hey, bring the slider out. We gonna run that shit. Okay?
We ain't doing 50% off, but we need all
Hey, we running it tonight. It's still hitting. If it's still hitting by tonight.
Hey, listen, if it's hit, it ain't quitting. Let's go.
Let's hit it.
3 times Chico. 3 times.
You a fool, man. 3 times Chico. Come on, let's go. Alright, let's get it. Alright.
Mike needs that one over there.
I'm standing right behind you.
You know it's a party all night tonight.
Oh, shout out to the pineapple Bucana. That's success. Alright, let's get it, let's put that work. Judges is taking a look, we're working front stack. First place goes to the no look. Oh, there it is.
Let's go, let's give it up.
That was best pocket, yeah, that's a good class right there. Good class. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's another one, he's racking them up. Great picks, great work. Congratulations all the winners. Thanks to everybody that participated. Coming up next, what do we got else?
We got Best Chico Female. Best Chico Female to the ring, please. Best Chico Female.
We skipped that. And a great female by that. So congratulations, first place.
Let's give it up, first place.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Showed up and showed out. She's almost due.
Never been broke off, got my grind. So good, you gotta put it in the grinder. 233 the first week, I'm on the line.
Alright. Remember, we still got them $1,000 stack odds. Make sure you guys tap in with registration and sign up. It is. Put in that work. That was that. Pocket female. Congratulations. Good work, good work, good work. That was fast. Just came in hot. Just came in like throwing this. Alright, let's work. I'm ready when you're ready.
Alright, let's work, let's work. I said let's work, now let's work.
Working.
Shit. Turn that shit up, DJ. Let's go!
Mexicano esa es mi bandera, yo la levanto por donde quiera, verde, blanco, rojo hasta que muera, el barrio mentido ya de más afuera.
Alright, we got males and females, let's
Esa es
go.
mi bandera, yo la levanto por donde quiera, verde, blanco, rojo hasta que muera.
Alright, Frenchie male and female class, you're in the ring, let's go.
Let's go, let's get it. Hey, they brought all the smoke out today.
Big rope, little rope,
Hey,
low rope.
just every shade, all the shades that you want to mention earlier.
Big rope, little rope, lilac,
Isabella.
they got all the damn rainbow colors out here.
They got the tan, they got the cream.
New shit.
Let's give it up. Second, third, first place.
Loco en Guanajuato con los ojos bien tumbados de copa estaba rifando por todos lados, 70 y prendo un cup en cabina con
Can I get best murder all breeds?
junto a mi carnal el Pablo.
On deck, best murder all breeds on deck, please. Breeds in the ring.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Best for all breeds. This male and female. That's polka dot, fool. That's not Merle.
Last call. Last call. Best murder all breeds.
My man got his baby out here too, man. This is a family event, man. Shout out to everybody with their family out here, man. I got my family out here, my kids running around. Let's keep it all friendly. Let's keep the sportsmanship. And let's keep it pushing. Here, bro.
Hey, hold on.
He's not even on. Alright, I see it now. I'm fucking with you. In first place, congratulations.
Let's give it up. First place.
Hey, Machaca, must go. They must know somebody, bro. I don't know, somebody, I don't know about how I feel about that. I don't even like the hanger. Let's go.
Hey, it's Tri-City, baby. You know what it is.
Oh, that's what it
It's
is.
Tri-City, baby.
Let's get it. Hey, shout out to the cameraman putting in that work, man. He's out here videotaping me, videotaping us, capturing the moment, man. We outside together. It's all love, man. Keep it family. Let's go.
Hey, I want to shout out my boy that I seen over here. I see the Stack God roaming around. So I know he's over there trying to hide this. My boy Porter Lyric. Shout out Porter Lyric, the Stack God.
Family.
And Trey, man, you thought I didn't see you next to him, huh?
I heard you were from Baghdad. We're moving to Baghdad. Alright, a lot of great dogs are putting that work. What's up? Third place, he's ready. Judges ready, third place. Third place, best fly lad. I'm playing. A lot of great dogs though. Damn, that's a lot of dogs, dude. Male or female?
Male.
Nice. How old is he?
1 year, 7 months.
Good shit.
Alright, that's it, let's go.
My man's killing him right there too.
Oh no, we got a couple right every day. I'm sorry.
I know they don't see him. Got goggles. Homie got goggles. Damn! They're broken too. I thought that was Knox. Yo, you killing me. Yo. Stop playing. Oh, there it is! Congratulations!
First place!
Wow! Hey, I'm gonna back my truck up and we load her. We'll talk about the price later. I'll give you a blank check. This shit has no funds, but we'll figure it out later.
Congratulations. Let's give one more round of applause.
What you do, man? The value is behind the eye. Make sure you guys tap in with it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of great dudes out here, so let's work, baby. Let's work. Don't be afraid to spend the money, though. Don't be afraid, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't be cheap. You know what I'm saying? Don't be cheap like your jewelry.
We ain't never scared. We just come prepared. Hey, listen, DJ, cut that beat real quick.
Let's get it.
I need everybody around the ring. I got a special surprise for you.
Let's go.
Where's my boy Saucito at?
I'm
Saucito
ready to
official
turn
in the
up.
building.
Hey, if you're ready to turn up,
Hey,
let's
you
do
ready to
it.
turn up,
Yeah, see that.
Yeah, so we need to turn it up a little bit.
Yeah.
So
There's no heartbeat out here, bro.
I figured I'd bring my boy Saucito out here.
Oh yeah, I'm about to break dance. That's break dance. Yo, where's he at? I'm biting me.
Go.
No, I ain't getting that. Only my shoulders move. Only my shoulders move. I try. Oh, there we go. It's going down. Didn't you have a dog? I wonder if his dog pop locked.
He is the dog. He said he got the dog.
We're getting low. We're getting low. Yeah. Let's get it. Oh. Bring out your cameras, take pictures, let's go live. We turned up. Southwest, where you at? Get yourself some rhythm. Let's get it. Show them how it's done.
He's breaking it down.
Vato got a lot of girlfriends. Who would have want a man that could do all that? Slow motion. He does it slow motion too. Hey, let's make some noise! Let's make some noise! This culture right here, baby. This culture. This culture, man. This street. Let's go! Oh! Get. This vato don't stop. It's like the Energizer Bunny. Yeah! Anybody else got something? This guy killed everybody.
Hey, he's moving and grooving tonight.
He's speaking to him. Oh look, he's talking. Storytelling. The vato storytelling. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it.
Alright, let's go.
Where's the remix? We got some amazing dogs out here. Who's gonna take number 1, number 2, and number 3? Third place, congratulations! Our first place! Oh wait! Congratulations to third, second, and first! What's that?
What was that?
This one.
Good enough? You ready? Why am I not surprised?
Fuck, bro. I'm fucking tired,
Oh,
bro.
you got it? You got this?
Tired.
Oh, hey, no. I see you.
The dog don't do his job.
Yo, all right, yeah, that part.
Dog don't do his job.
You got this too, my guy? No hands, no hands, no knees.
No move.
This it right here, this it.
No hands,
No hands, no knees.
Hey, no move.
Hey, I know a guy that can walk down the block and his dog will stay right there. He goes by the name of North Star. Salute to him. No lie. Hey, I know another guy. His name is Kenny Payne. Where Kenny Payne at?
He was here
I know another motherfucker right here from Arizona.
right
His
there.
name is Kenny. He goes by the name of Kenny Payne, and he can move out of town and his dog will still be in the same fucking zip code. How about that? Hey, tell that nigga say no man said that. You know what I'm saying?
There's a rumor that he went to
Hey, tell
Chicago.
him no man said that.
There's a rumor he went to Chicago and the dog was still stacking when he got back.
Oh, we here, let's go. No hands, let's go, baby.
That's a no hands thing. Shout out my boy Porter Lyric, man.
I see him cross state lines and scare motherfuckers, yo. What's up? And I told him, hey, he's good. He's all love. I love him.
Let's work.
Break out the shit,
All right, Judge. Who's judging this, bro? Who's judging this, bro? You judging this, bro? You judging, cameraman? This is pressure.
That's the best one for so far.
Right here. This is pressure. This is pressure.
We'll go like
Yo,
one.
Kenny Payne, guys. Come and help us, man. Come and help us, judges, bro. You want to come and help us, judges? Hey, my request, hey, Charles, my request, can Kenny Payne come and help us? Hey, Kenny, look. Charles, my little man's request, can Kenny Payne come and help us? Special guest, Judge, it's all good, it's nothing in there. Kenny Payne, Judge, hey, Charles. AC, show some love. This is my guy right here.
Let's go, let's give it up.
Let's get it, baby. You know it's all up.
Hey, if you don't know, now you know. This is my boy Porter, man. He's the stat god, off the leash, king.
All right, let's go. Hey,
Let's give it up.
tell him what's up. Kenny Payne.
We're gonna do it from the jumping down.
Hey, let's run it however you want to run it. It's your house. It's your Whose house?
We're gonna give everybody a fair thing. We got a ball, ladies and we can throw across here. You heard the man. If you move, we lose. If you move, you're gone. Let's go. Stay work.
Keep it straight for the boys fight. Bang, snatch chains in the parking lot. Don't matter, it still be fine. The rapper, think about the thinking. That's the hammer. It's moved in the creek when you're thinking sharp. You know we on.
And number 2. Let's go. Stay work.
Don't act for it like surprise.
He's on the ball. You know he's about it. Listen, when I tell you he could have thrown that play, he would have lines in the guards, but still be let me get the handles and stand back some.
So on the real.
Hey, y'all, let's make some noise for these dogs right here on the no-leash step road. Let's make some noise. They working, boy.
It's going down with
Hey, don't forget to stick around because we still got a live car hop with the $1,000 cash prize. Live car hop right after this. Hey, who are you out here to leave with no money? Best sports show on deck. They ain't moving. Best sports show on deck. Oh, he out of here. Second place right here. Congratulations, second place. Come to this beautiful lightning track boy right here, man. Great job, big dog. That's how you win it. No, man. Let's give it 15 minutes a day, man. Stop with the dog and you leave us. Walk up. I appreciate y'all. Next time, boys, Takeover. Let's go. Hey, man, let's give it up one more time. My boy Porter Lyric, the Shot God. This is some big built beast right there.
Like a tank. Hey, gas the whole time. Self-fueled.
That's fluffy Frenchies on deck.
Eco-friendly, bro.
That's fluffy Frenchies, male and female on deck.
Eco-friendly, bro. There it is. All love, AJ.
Third place, let's give it up for third place.
Hey, shout out to Vida Diferente in the building. They did their thing. They bought all the cars. Family environment. We love you guys, man. Thank you guys for what you do. So
First
to you
place,
guys,
let's
man.
give it up.
Respect. How about that?
First place, congratulations, let's give it up. First place,
Everybody shines, baby. When everybody's winners, everybody shines. You know what I'm saying? Everybody shines.
All right, best fluffy Frenchie, male and female into the ring, please. Best fluffy Frenchie.
Except for you, boo. We don't want you to go.
I'll leave it like that.
You're excited, boo.
I'm not bad on thugs.
Security, come get this guy.
I was good, that's all about the man.
I like G-Body. Where the G-Bodies at, though? You guys got G-Bodies?
We got all of them.
I like G-Bodies.
Best male and female last call.
G-Bodies.
Best fluffy Frenchie,
Hey,
male and
this
female.
hood vehicles. You got a G-Body? That's like a hood getaway car. The G-Body is like a hood getaway car. Go, bro, just go.
Let's go.
I get in the car, just go, bro. No, don't ask questions, just go, bro.
All right, let's work.
There's no female? There's no female. Yeah, you better call the female, bro. Should have been number 8. That's what
I need best black. Best black. You sign up for best black to the wing, please.
Like a little baby bear, bro. Is that a little baby bear? That's a little baby bear, bro. That's cheating. That's AI. Hey, bro, that's... Hey, he's having a half. Hey, hold on. You're Puerto Rican? You're Puerto Rican, bro?
All right, let's go. I think best blue on deck. Best blue on deck.
There it is.
All right, there it is. That's a nice dog, man.
Let's go. Let's give it up first place.
Hey, how old is the dog? How old is the dog?
Hey, that's what time.
How old is the dog?
How old is the dog, bro? Nah, he's playing with the right. You can't take very serious on the shot.
You don't think it'll be like, yes, what do you mean?
Hey, he's like, no. Hey, he's about to let that dog run up on you, bro.
Hey, he's a blue carrier?
Best spawn on deck. Best spawn on deck.
Hey, is that fine? You're fine? Put him over here. Put him over here on this side, bro.
Best spawn is on deck.
Blue, you're running the blue.
That's a blue. Blue. First place, that's blue. Let's go, let's give it up. First place, that's blue. That boy, say work. Best ball to the ring, best ball to the ring, please.
When you gon' make time, when you gon' get slide, when you gon' stay
Best ball to the ring, please. Best ball. Best Brindle on deck. Best Brindle on deck. Brindle.
I know who's coming in here. Oh, yeah. I know who's coming in here.
We told him he wasn't allowed.
I know who's coming in here.
We told him he wasn't allowed.
Randall, I know who's coming in here. Oh, we doing a house? Hey, Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, bro. We doing Michael Jordan. Y'all got cars that do that high?
Let's go, best ball. Best ball in the building. Let's go. Let's give it up. Congratulations.
There it is.
Congratulations. First place in the third place.
I need to get in this one, though. I need to get in this one.
Alright, best Brindle to the ring, please. Best Brindle.
Baby, we hopping. Can I get in one of those shit?
Best Brindle.
Best Brindle, best
Best
Brindle.
Brindle in the ring.
All breed, best Brindle, best Brindle, all breed, last call. All breed, best Brindle. Last call. If you're not in the ring, you're not doing your thing. Where you at? Tap in, let's go. Best in show right now, let's go, let's get it. DJ, give me some music!
He just fucking stayed there.
Best in show! Hey, let's make a top 5 pick. What are you gonna do? Break it down, break it down. Break it down, don't hurt their feelings. Give me a top 5. Give me a top 5. Top 5, Joe. Give me a top 5. Top 5. Tap in.
We're going to pick the top 5 dogs out of first place for the whole show. And if the top comes out and picks you, come out to that middle one right here.
DJ. Let's go, let's get these songs. If you ain't stacking, you're lacking, baby. You lacking.
You heard it here first. We're playing stacking and lacking, baby.
Tap out, don't tell you what to tap in. The bad Cali, do it west side like that. We call you back.
The dogs to walk, everybody clear off the ring.
If you're not,
That means get the fuck out.
if you ain't supposed to be in here, you gotta get the hell out.
Hey, the Illuminati's coming to get me, so get out.
Póngase acá, Eric.
Póngalo para acá, primo. Puro fuego, Arizona. Puro fuego, Arizona. Pendejo, let's go. Alright, you're gonna walk them around. Alright, let's go. Great dogs, man. You guys did your thing. A lot of great dogs, man. I love you guys. What can I say? You showed your ass, Arizona, the left and the right cheek. Now I can say I know you. Ahora, sí se puede. Si no puede, just carry him to the finish line, yo. No soldiers stay behind. There we go, there it is. Round of applause! Let's go! Hey, we showed up. All it is. All you have to do the word is show up. That's the biggest key. Y'all tripping if you don't know that. The key to success is show the fuck up. No, backflip with him. Jumping jacks, way.
Hit him, boy!
Yeah, there we go. Beautiful dog. I told him. Pero ahora 10,000 pesos por el perro, güey. No sé, pero no quiso. $1 millón de pesos. Le dije que le daba $1 millón de pesos, no quiso.
Good boy! Work it!
Hey, who has the balls to say, hey, güey, te dije $1 millón de pesos, güey, no quisiste, güey. $1 millón. A little bitch. En colas, güey, la quick coin. Los tostones, güey.
Come on, no, faster.
Hey, car hops next. That, all I know is a car hops next, yo. Oh, the 1K sack off? And then a car hop? Damn, we're doing a lot of activities right now, Pedro. Bro,
Yeah, we got a lot of room for a lot of activities out here.
Hey, all right.
So you know we have to pack a
time and space. I hope you guys got nowhere to go. All right, he's ready. All right, Bessie. Hey, handle it with care, Pedro. This is maybe for a lot of love, Pedro. Hey, that was big with a lot of love. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, my goodness.
Come on!
go. My knees hurt. 1K stack off. Hey, if anybody else want to get in last minute, $30. One time, $30 to get in a 1K stack off. You can turn 30 into 1,000 right now. Do I have any takers? $30 one time for the 1K stack off. It's time to put up or shut up. This is for a fan. All right, let's go. This is for $1,000. That's two people that's gonna take home $1,000 just for dogs right now. And I know we need it. Because you know this shit's expensive. This is a half of one breeding.
1,000 money.
1,000.
Got the 1K, baby.
$1,000 right here. Hold it up for him to see. It's in an envelope, but I promise. I promise it's $1,000, man. You count it before you leave. Once you get it, you gotta go home. $1,000 on the line. Second $1,000 stack off right here at the Southwest Takeover. Let's say work. Let's work. Let's work. Let's go ahead. Let's give it up. Let me hear you guys. This is for $1,000. Let's turn up. Let's turn up a little bit. Let's give it up, $1,000. Also, I want to shout out ABA Vida Diferente for putting up $1,000 for the stack off. Let's go, stay work. Man, this is a tough decision. Hey, Chris got a lot of responsibility right now. Let me tell you something about Chris. He's been around the dog game for a long, long time. So when you have him stuffed like this, you know that there's some smoke in the rim. $1,000. I really could use $1,000.
Give it to me.
I wish I could use it. $1,000 on the line right here. $1,000. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. $1,000. Stay work. Stay work. Stay work. I think they're ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? So my boy's gonna. So how we're gonna do it first? We're gonna pick a top three. So if my boy Chris comes over and taps you, I need you to stay in the ring. We have 3 spaces. Let's go, stay work. This is for $1,000. Don't forget to tip your local MC.
How you feel? 25 sitting on 25 mil. I'm feeling myself.
We ain't doing this for the Bay, we doing this for Arizona. Let's give it up.
Mascot tell tune like one, pass it like a relay. YMCMB.
We got one. And we got 3. If you didn't get picked, I need you to exit the ring. You ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
She want a photo, you already know though. The only deal once that's the murder. Get yellow and we find it every day. Like we sitting on the bench, but we don't really play every day. When anybody say can't see him.
All right, look at the top 3 over here.
Time for
Thank you guys for participating. So this is top three right here. This is a tough competition. Top three for the $1,000 stack off. The second $1,000 stack off of the night. Don't forget, we got a live car hop after this. Stick around. We're also giving away $1,000 in cash prizes for the live car hop. Let's get back to this though.
I'm so young, money got a drum on.
Only one winner. We're gonna leave one man standing. Who's gonna take home the second $1,000 cash prize of the night? And let's go, let's give it up! Winner of the $1,000 stack off! Congratulations, let's give it up! Congratulations, let's give it up for my boy dog Kilo. Kilo in the building, let's go! I want to thank everybody that came out tonight, showed the dog, supported the dog.
Yeah, we live.
Let's go! One more time, I want to thank everybody that came out to the Southwest Takeover, everybody that supported, everybody that showed, everybody that walked through. We appreciate you guys, man. Shout out to the Pitbull store for letting us host this badass event. We couldn't have done it without them. We couldn't have done it without you guys. Shout out Logo, man. He's hiding out in the bathroom right now, but he'll be back. Shout out to ABA, Arizona Bully Affiliates, man. Vida Diferente. Every car class that came out, everybody that made this show possible.
Coming up next.